Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Dell and connecting AC. Why? Because unstable power disrupts media checks. Next, insert the media you will test, whether USB or optical, and note the model so you select correct firmware settings. Press the BIOS key shown at boot, commonly F2 for setup or F12 for boot menu, to access boot options. Once inside, navigate to boot sequence to confirm the device appears. This initial step establishes whether the system even recognizes the media. Once you see the boot menu, select the media to attempt boot. This verifies presence and bootability. If the device is absent, make sure you reseat or swap cables, remake the bootable USB with a verified tool, or test the disk on a different machine to isolate hardware versus media corruption. Also, make sure Secure Boot or UEFI settings are not blocking your media. Toggling to legacy or disabling Secure Boot can reveal unsigned drives. These checks separate configuration issues from failed media. You should now boot from the chosen media to complete diagnostics or install. This proves the problem is solved. After successful boot, restore any BIOS changes you made and save settings so normal startup returns. If the media still does not appear, update the Dell BIOS and retry, swap to a different USB port, use USB 2.0 when possible, or use a confirmed good bootable stick. One key troubleshooting tip: test the media on another computer first to rule out a defective image or drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.